Every classic has a story, even the ones lost to time and rust. Today we're bringing this legend back to life, one panel at a time. Restoration starts with a total teardown to reveal the raw potential underneath. We strip away the neglect, grinding down to the original honest steel. Precision welding ensures the structure is stronger and safer than the day it was born. Every line and curve is meticulously reshaped by hand to reach perfection. A flawless finish begins with hours of painstaking preparation and patience. Then comes the transformation, a rich coat of color that demands attention. In the final stretch, every detail is carefully pieced back together, from rust to riches. The restoration is complete. Let's hit the road.